Hi, I'm Liz.
And I'm Sam.
And we are the Pretty Life Girls.
And today we're here at Silhouette making a large-scale mixed media wall art project.
So fun, and we are using the brand new Cameo 4 Plus to make this project. Let's get started.
Okay, so we are making this rainbow picture. It's a rainbow made of butterflies and hearts, and we use vinyl and we use paper to add some dimension. We chose this fun color scheme. It's a less traditional girly color scheme, which I love.
Adorable in a girl's room, in a nursery.
Yes, so cute above a crib.
So cute.
I would love that. So, should we get started?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, so what you need for this project is we used a mat board that you can just get at the craft store for your project surface. This was like $8, super cheap for a 24 by 36. You need paper that matches your adhesive vinyl colors. And you'll need some glue, some transfer tape, and I think that's mostly it. So what I did is in the design store, I got a heart and a butterfly shape, and then I arranged them in Silhouette Studio into a rainbow. And each row, it's kind of a random order of hearts and butterflies.
So cute.
Then I colored them in something close to the colors that I'd be cutting them with and cut them by color. So there's a fill option that you cut by the fill color, and it will do one color at a time. So then you send it through your machine and cut it out, and then you start weeding. So you take off all the excess, color by color, and then once you have them all weeded, you'll apply some transfer tape on them to apply to your board. Okay, so while you're getting the transfer tape off, I'm just gonna move these things over here. Okay, so stick your tape on top. And you can use your scraper to make sure that it sticks really well. And then we'll flip it over. Let's see. So that all the vinyl is on here. Okay, so then we're gonna just stick it on. And you can do it in chunks. Since the Cameo 4 Plus does 15 inches wide, you can do a big chunk of each rainbow every time. Pink. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Use this one. So we're going to add our last color. Use our scraper. Let me pull it this way. Okay, so once we have our vinyl applied, now it's time to add our paper. So we just ran cardstock through with the same heart and butterfly designs, and all we do, here Liz, you fold them in half, apply a little bit of glue, and we don't do this on all of them, just on a few, just to give it a little bit of dimension. Add a little glue right to the fold. And you'll stick it on, match it up with the color and the shape, and it just adds this cute 3D element. And so you can just repeat this process. I did every other row, so one row had 3D butterflies, the next had 3D hearts. One row had 3D butterflies, the next had 3D hearts, but you don't have to do that. Any random order would be so cute, and it is just such a fun little touch.
And such an easy way to make a really big standout piece, since you can cut so much with the Silhouette Cameo 4 Plus.
With vinyl or paper.
I love it.
Once
it
you're
makes such a statement.
Once you're done with this, you would just let the glue dry and then put this in a frame. We just used an inexpensive poster frame from the craft store and hang it up, and you have the cutest wall art. The Cameo 4 Plus is available for purchase now at silhouetteamerica.com.
And make sure you're following Silhouette for more information. Thank you so much for watching.